Hello friends, Kalrav School Halol presenting this video for Standard 8 English Medium subject English Grammar. Friends, today we are going to discuss about grammar topic tenses. Friends, we already studied about the tenses in our previous standard 6th, 7th. We already studied in the English grammar about the basic form of the tenses. So here in the form of the revision we are going to discuss about the tenses, and it is very important till standard 12th. So tenses is the base of the English grammar. It is very important. If you are talk about the tenses, main tense, there are three main tenses in English grammar. One is present tense, number two is past tense, and number three is future tense. Today we are discuss about present tense. Tenses denote the time of an action. Tenses shows the time of action, whether the time is about into the present or past or in future. So it is denote about the time of an action. They shows when the works is done. Okay, there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Today we are discuss about the present tense. Okay, so number one present tense is simple present tense. Simple present tense, it is used to denote the scientific fact. For which purpose simple present tense is used? The simple present tense is used to denote the scientific fact, universal truth, and work done on a daily basis. Whatever the work you are doing on the daily basis, everything is presenting in the simple present. Whatever the scientific fact related with the science, universal truth, everything which are going to present in the simple present tense. Okay, according to the types of the sentence, okay, which type of the sentence formation into the simple present tense, it is given here. For types of sentence, number one is assertive sentence. For the assertive sentence, first of all subject will come, then after verb number one means main verb plus s or es will come, and then after object and rest of the sentence. She writes a letter. Here one sentence is there, that means she is a subject, writes is a verb number one. Okay, with it join with es. Okay, then after object a letter is there. She writes a letter. Okay, this is the simple present tense assertive sentence. Okay, if we are talking about the negative sentence in simple present tense, first of all subject will come, then after does not or do not will come. Okay, do not, does not are used in simple present tense to show the negative sentence. Then after verb number one with s or es, then after object. The same sentence if you want to make into negative form, okay, she does not write a letter. I, we, you, they, you can use do with that, and he, she, it, you have to use does with that particular subject. So with she you can use does not. Okay, she does not write a letter. Now number three type of sentence, it is about interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means question type of sentence. Okay, if you are making the interrogative type of sentence, do or does comes first in a simple present tense. Okay, so do or does comes first, then after subject, then after verb, main verb with s or es, then after lastly come object. Okay, the same sentence if you are trying to transform into the interrogative form, she does not write a letter, okay, or she writes a letter. If you are converting this sentence into interrogative one, does come first. Okay, not negative word will remove. Okay, does she write a letter? Question mark showing the indication about the interrogative sentence. Okay, interrogative negative sentence, if you are talk about the interrogative negative sentence, okay, then what will the sentence formation about that interrogative negative sentence? Does, then after subject plus not plus main verb with s or es, then after lastly comes object. Okay, does she not write a letter? Okay, not is there. Okay, so question mark is there. So this is the simple present tense according to the different types of sentences. Okay, assertive, negative, interrogative, and interrogative negative sentence. And simple present tense is mainly used to denote about the scientific fact, universal truth, and on the daily basis activity, everything that is very easy to represent about the simple present tense. About the present tense number 2, second number tense is about present continuous tense. On which condition, in which condition present continuous tense is used? It is used to express an action taking place at the time of speaking. Whenever you are speaking, at the same time the action is going in front of you, at that particular situation you can use present continuous tense. Okay, so for the according to the different type of the sentences, which are the sentence formation of the present continuous tense is given there with the sentence formation. Number 1 is about assertive rules. Assertive sentence, first of all subject will come, then after am is are. Friends, if you are talk about the to be's form, there are 5 to be's form in English grammar: am is are, was, and were. Okay, am is are is used for the present tense and was were is used for the past tense. Okay, that should be clear in your mind. Okay, which are the to be's 5 form: am is are, was, and were. Okay, then after verb number 1 with ing form, then after object verb with ing. Simply, she is writing a letter. Okay, she is the same sentence we are repeating just because the concept should be clear in your mind. Okay, she is a subject, am is are, she is a singular, that's why we are using is here. Then after write is a verb, and with write ing you can use. Then after a letter is a object. Okay, she is writing a letter. If you are talk about the negative rule, okay, subject am is are plus not, then after verb 1, that verb with ing, and then after object. She is not writing a letter. Not is here to indicate about the negative sentence. She is not writing a letter. The same sentence if you transform it into the interrogative rule, so am is are come ahead in front of the subject. Okay, then after subject will come, then after verb with ing and object. Is she writing a letter? It is very easy. Okay, is she writing a letter? And interrogative negative rule, am is are, subject plus not. Okay, so is she not writing a letter? That indicate about the negative form. Okay, that is very easy to showing the subject plus am is are plus main verb with ing, then after object and rest of the sentence. That is indicate about the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to express an action it taking place at the time of the speaking. Okay friends, very easy sentence formation. Then after next tense is about the present is present perfect tense. In which condition you can use present perfect tense? Present perfect tense is used to show an action that is started in the past. It is used to show an action that is started in the past and has just finished. Whatever the action which were started into the past and that just finished, that action is just finished, for that particular action you can use present perfect tense. Now assertive rules. Okay, according to the types of the sentence, assertive rule, subject will come first, then after has, have. Then after verb number 3 means past participle of the verb, that is called verb number 3. Okay, verb number 2 is past tense and verb number 1 is main verb. Okay, then after object, she has. Okay, I, we, you, they with subject I, we, you, they you can use have, and he, she, it you can use has. Okay, then after past participle of the verb, that means verb number 3. What is the past participle of write? Return. Okay friends, then after a letter is there, that is called object. Okay, the same sentence if you transforming into the negative word, okay, has, have, then after not is there, so she has not returned a letter. Okay, not is there to show about the negative sentence. Then after interrogative, if we are talk about the interrogative, has, have comes first ahead of the subject. So has, have comes first, then after subject, then after verb number 3, then after object. Has he written a letter? Question mark. Has he written, has she written a letter? Okay, then after question mark. So this is about the interrogative. The interrogative negative sentence, if you are talk about the has, have on the same place, subject on the same place, only the word negative not is added in the sentence, then after same rules as about the interrogative one. So has she not written a letter? Question mark. So this is the sentence formation about the present perfect tense. It is used to show an action that is started into the past and has just finished, that is called present perfect tense. And about the last present perfect continuous tense. Okay, last sentence formation of the present tense is past perfect continuous tense. This tense is show the action which is started in the past and still it is continuing. Okay, the action which was started into the past but right now it is also continuing, that is called present perfect continuous tense. Okay, assertive sentence, for that subject plus has, have plus be double e and been. This word you have to remember, be double e and been is used after has, have, and then after main verb with ing, and then after object. She has been writing a letter. Okay, she has been writing a letter. The same sentence, if you transforming into the negative one, the word not is added, subject is same is there, has, have is same is there. Okay, been ahead of the been you can use not, so that word become not been. Then after verb number one means main verb with ing, then after object. She has not been writing a letter, that is negative sentence. Then after lastly is interrogative. Interrogative, for interrogative sentence the same sentence is there, but just only difference is that has, have come ahead of the subject. So has, have come first, then after subject, then been, then main verb with ing, then object. Has she been writing a letter? Question mark. Okay, and then after lastly interrogative or negative. Okay, just not word is added. Has, have same, subject is same, been, but in front of the been you have to use not. Okay, not been plus main verb with ing, then after she. Has she not written a letter? So friends, this is about the present tense. I hope you guys can understand whatever the explanations are there related to the present tense. Whatever the blanks are there, fill in the blanks that will ask in the exam, that you have to write down in your answer paper. So everyone must remember, everyone write down this explanation. I will send this pdf. Okay, in your I will send this pdf to you. Okay, so that you have to write down in your grammar notebook, and with the each and every tenses, means simple present tense, assertive, negative, interrogative, every sentence you have to make 5 example and write down in your notebook. 5 एग्जाम्पल हर एक सेंटेंसेस के बनाने हैं आपको, हर एक टेंसेस के बनाने हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के असर्टिव के 5, नेगेटिव के उसी को नेगेटिव 5 करो, उसी को इंटीरोगेटिव में 5 करो, और उसी को इंटीरोगेटिव नेगेटिव असर्टिव में 5 करो. सो इसी तरह से सेम सेंटेंस आपको पास्ट कंटिन्यूस के बनाने हैं. असर्टिव रूल के जो आपको 5 बनाओगे वही उसको नेगेटिव करोगे, उसी को इंटीरोगेटिव करोगे. दैट आई विल चेक व्हेन आई विल कॉल you to check your notebook. Tenses is very important. First part of the tense, present tense, is over now. In our next video we will discuss about the past tense. Okay friends, so this is very important for the first exam. In grammar section, fill in the blanks, present tense will come. So this is very important topic, so everyone must remember about the rules. Write down that rules in your notebook and learn it by heart. In our next video we will discuss about the next topic, next tense. Okay friends, bye, take care, see you.